Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on linking your PS4 account to a Twitter account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and move to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Account Management. In Account Management, open Link with Other Services. Select Twitter. Click the Login button and it will open the Twitter login page. Sign into your account there and then click Authenticate App. Your PS4 account will then be linked to your Twitter account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.